What up, dude?
Nothing much, dude. How you doing?
It's nice seeing you, man. I'm alright. You know.
Yeah?
Just got out of class.
Oh yeah, me too, dude. I got off like 2 hours ago.
I have 6 hours this year.
You have 6 hours? What the fuck, dude?
For real.
I have 4, but I have third hour off.
No, it makes sense. Yeah, I get off. Like, I have no sight hours. That's why.
Why do you have so many hours?
Because I take choir, and then I take chemistry and biology.
Oh, yeah.
2 sciences.
Yeah, I got
Which
you.
it's pretty nice because I can take my stuff in biology into chemistry.
Yeah.
But other times, it's not because I have 6 fucking hours and it sucks.
Yeah, dude. That sounds like a lot of fun, to be honest. You okay? You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing alright. It's just, I've been thinking about. No, I don't like school that much. I might just drop out.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh, was that a helicopter? Oh my god! Oh!